Dun, 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 dun. I decided to dress up like Pikachu. Why? Because I fucking wanted to. It makes me happy. I thought it would make you guys laugh. You all people, not just you guys. So, I kept putting off getting on here because, well, I'm super nervous. Super duper nervous. I've never done anything like this before, so it's going to either be educational, which is what I'm hoping, or a complete disaster, which would be hilarious, right? And I do this, for like being funny and whatnot, because I think it's funny to watch people do new things because they fuck up inevitably, and that's funny for anyone that's not doing it. So, plus, I like to be the example that you can do things that you don't know how to do, and you can be weird and make your dreams come true. You can dress like Pikachu. Anyway, so I was trying to put it off because I was nervous, and then I couldn't figure out, because the directions say to flip the breaker, so you always want to flip the breaker, which I did, and then it says to close the cold water cutoff valve going to the water heater, and I don't know where the fuck that is, and I looked all over the internet for like a diagram, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I called the RV like mechanic place, and sorry, and he didn't know where it was either. So he said he's worried about the tank refilling after you've drained it. Oh, which reminds me I shut off the dang water supply. So let's go do that. Because, oh, that's the cold water cutoff. Duh. Oh my god. Okay, I feel super stupid right now. But naturally, because the camper heats the water, it comes out of the cold water cutoff. Duh. Oh my god. Y'all, sometimes I worry about me. Okay, so, I'm gonna teach you, Anthony. Let me take my fingers out of my Pikachu outfit. Life has been so crazy for me, you guys. I have to do stupid shit like this in order to make it fun. So anyway, let me unscrew this. I don't know if what is it? Lefty loosey, righty tighty? So what does that mean? Which way do I turn it? It was that way, so I'm gonna assume that way. But I just feel like it's going to not open. I probably need one of these wrench thingies. Hold on. I brought the whole toolbox out because I have no idea what I need. Oh, I know where it is. I actually did separate it. I need one of those, like, claw thingies. Wrench? I don't know what they're called. I have two different ones, but they're kind of the same thing. Okay. I don't know where to put you guys. I'm gonna put you there. Oh shit. Okay. So such a bitch. No! God. Why can't something be easy? Just one thing. It's like stripped. Okay. You know what? Again. I'm not gonna fuck around with that, because that's gonna make me angry, and that's not any fun. So I'm gonna just cut it off here. And hopefully it won't spray all over me. Oh, buddy! Can you... Never mind, you move too slow. He has water on his knee, and so he's a little gimpy right now. I hope that's not offensive.
I hear you.
What?
I'm not gimpy.
Okay, so I am gonna run the water until there isn't any water, and hopefully that'll work, because I shut the water off out there. Cricket, are you here? Somehow I feel like I did not shut the water off. Am I really, I can't figure out which direction to turn the faucet? That's disappointing. Well, it's a big tank though, right? So it would take a while. I just don't want to open the thing and then water goes everywhere. You know what I mean? Oh, hey. Yay. Okay, good. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you guys are here. Oh! Cricket. Which direction turns off? I'm dyslexic, guys. Thanks. Which direction would turn off the faucet? I know that's like so stupid and I should know that, but I don't. Do you know?
What?
Which direction turns off the faucet outside? Because if I don't have it off and I open it up, then all this water is going to spray out on me. Hey, Kai.
Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty.
Yeah, but what does that mean, lefty, loosey, righty, tighty? As far as off and on.
Okay, so...
To the right is on, to the left is off.
Lefty,
To the left, to the left.
righty, tighty is off.
Are you sure?
Think about it. When you're screwing the nail in,
You screw to the right. Yeah. So maybe you are right. He seems to think right, tight. Right, tight. Ah, left, loose. And I want it to be tight. Yeah, I do. I'm sorry, that's so inappropriate, but whatever. So we're gonna do it right? Yeah, we're gonna... Ah! Okay! This is so dumb, you guys. Thanks for... Okay. I wonder... Okay, well, I feel like I did... the right things. Okay. The cutoff valve is off. I ran out of water. Oh, look, there's my kitty. Hi, Buddha. What up, Joan? All right. I just kind of have a bad feeling about this. I kind of still feel like there's going to be water in there, and I'm going to get fucking splashed, but... Ugh. Oh, man. Okay. So I have to I have to use one of these things again. I can do it, and I am putting my ass into it. Apparently I'm putting my hand in bubblegum as well. Okay, I'm gonna just have to put you guys down here behind me. so that I can, because I don't know if I could, oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, I almost ran into it. Oh man, I'm like, I don't want to get my Pikachu costume wet. Lefty loosey. Oh man, this thing is so dumb! How does this work? Okay. Well, that's just gonna... Okay. You guys can't even see me over here fucking losing my shit on this damn thing. Okay. I can't get it undone, which is disappointing. Doesn't mean that I'm giving up. I'm just pausing so I don't throw a temper tantrum. And there's sticky shit on here. God dang it, you guys. Which one has to go? Okay, so it has to go that way. Ow. Whoa. Oh, it's got that Teflon tape on there, which is something I just learned about. Teflon tape is something that you put, like when you're doing plumbing, you put this, like, it's just this white tape that goes around the threading, and then you screw on the pieces together, and it helps make sure that it doesn't leak. Thank you, Justin. I try. I might be cute, but I am not Sheba, and I'm not as strong as Pikachu. I do shame to the Pikachu outfit. Meanwhile, my cat is being fucking adorable. Check this out. She's so... Hey, Sean. What the fuck was that? She's so cute. Anyway, okay. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Because there's not just that, but... Oh, scheiße. So this is what I have to undo. You see this fucking thing? Do you see that? It's like covered in grease. I don't know how to get to it. I think I'm gonna have to remove that. And then I don't know what to do. You know what, you guys? Maybe this is a message that I just need to get a new water heater. In general. I have a friend that has a salvage yard who's offered to help me. He's helping me get the parts for my vehicle that I need. I am going to be doing my alternator in my Tahoe, which is a new to me vehicle, this weekend, probably on Saturday. And I have no idea what I'm doing, and I do research, but I really don't know what I'm doing. And again, I just think it's really good to show like the process, because there's so much information about there, like from people that have already attained it, but what does it really look like, you know, to like take the steps towards self-sufficiency and like be brave and try stuff that you don't know how to do, because like that brings happiness, and happiness brings health. Anyway, thanks, Cricket. So anyway, yeah, so this is the thing I need to change. This is the temperature pressure relief valve, and you can see it's corroded here because it's dripping, and then it's coming down here, and somehow I don't know where, but somehow it is leaking into the camper, into the bathroom, which will okay, I thought I wiped grease on. So if it's leaking water into the camper, then obviously there's gonna be some sort of damage done to the wood, which means more work for me, and more mold, which I'm already struggling with. I'll be removing all of that in the next like month or so. And I just can't afford to get help. And every time someone says that they're gonna help me, they end up trying to get in my pants, and I'm just tired of that shit. So I'm just gonna do it myself. And yeah, I gotta figure this out. I'm gonna have to, what, like a dick tease of a video, right? I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what to do. I'll figure it out, though. I already replaced the fuse box, so I can do this. I'm pretty sure that what I have to do first, I have to take off this thing, and maybe that will let me open this thing, because I'll be able to get up here. I don't know how I'm gonna fucking... Joan! You're so funny. I'd consider you. No. Do you know how to help, though? That's the question. So, I think that if I... hey, Amanda! I'm thinking that if I remove this, I can get to that, release the water pressure, then I can unscrew this and screw in the new one that I have. That's my plan, y'all. That's my plan. I don't know how I'm gonna get that open on the other side. I'm gonna have to do some research. Can I break through that tough... Cricket, how do I break through that Teflon tape? Do you know what I mean? Let's sit a minute. I look like crap. I'm gonna catch you guys up while I'm sitting here. So over the last couple of weeks, my son Micah was diagnosed with Asperger's and Tourette's and ADHD and anxiety that is presenting itself as OCD. And hey, Georgie, I love you. And so he was diagnosed with all of that, and now he's been diagnosed with we're in the process of figuring out if he has the blood disorder, hemochromatosis. What are you saying, Cricket? Now I can't remember what I asked you. But, so he's going around to 9 different specialists. And we're learning and we're growing. And then Lucas messed up his knee. So now we have to go to specialists with him. And what else should I update about? My dad's doing great. Oh, thank you. I had asked about the Teflon tape and how to remove it. Okay. Teflon. I don't know why I keep saying it. Alright. Trim with scissors. I don't have fucking scissors because my kids misplaced them. I'm gonna figure this out, and I'll go live again as soon as I figure it out. But definitely gonna do the alternator this weekend. So I'll peek at you later.